guys, today we're introducing my friend Aiden and my puppies, Plugs and Castor. They're all smothering Aiden, so we're gonna do like a role play right here, where Aiden tries. It's kind of like a horror film, but much better and funnier. Okay, so Aiden, you're gonna have to act like the dogs are like mass murder or something, and you gotta hide from them and run from them and stuff.
No, they're just gonna be on here, getting on me.
Oh, okay. That's fine. This is dog invasion! Dogs are killing Aiden! The dogs are gonna kill Aiden. And there's Daddy over there. Dad, don't look at your phone, I'm recording! I can put up an intervention video of you looking at your phone!
Don't take videos. You're going to be posting this, Nevaeh.
I do.
Well, let me see your account.
I'm not done recording yet. I would tell you after this video. Oh my gosh, it's so blurs. Aiden, why don't you say hi to the camera and YouTubers watching?
Hello.
Aiden is colorblind. Right, aren't you, Aiden? On his left, he's colorblind. On his left eye. It's gonna kill you. It's dog invasion here.
Don't hit the dogs.
Don't smack the dogs. Remember, shove this camera in your face. There, how do you feel? Ah! You hit the camera! Ah, my gosh! This is an intense fight here. Ah! Oh my gosh! The camera's switching his head.
Now?
No.
Okay, it's done.